Okay, I have a quick tip for mower blades. When you're replacing them, putting new ones, or even if you're taking it off to sharpen it and to replace it. Now, when you install a mower blade, the way it should be, this should be up. It should not be where it's down. Okay, so mower blade, the curve, you want it up to the mower, not down to the grass. Mower blade curve, you want up to the mower, not down to the grass. See that? That would be the wrong way. You install the plate and the screw like there. So this is an old one, so you can actually see the imprint. But you install the plate, the screw, flip it upside down. Sorry for the angles. Put it up and you install. Again, curve side up to the mower, not down to the grass. Hope this helps.